Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to lower your price on Facebook Marketplace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Facebook, click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Lowering your price on Facebook Marketplace can attract more buyers and increase the chances of a very quick sale, alright? It's a very easy and a straightforward process because all you're gonna do once you're logged into your account, you can simply go to the Facebook Marketplace and go to the seller dashboard, alright? Now once you're there, click on the listings to open its details, such as this one. Now look an option to edit listings or edit price. For example, I priced this at 20. Right, the category is like furniture and the condition is like semi-used, and you wanted to edit the price or you lower your price. You have sudden changes of heart. Now you want to make sure that the new price is realistic and competitive based on similar listings in market conditions. If you're planning to reduce it like for $5, you might want to sell it now for 15. Just put it 15, and after adjusting the price, review the rest of your listing details. All right, now make necessary updates to the description, photos, or other information to reflect the new price and maintain accuracy right here. Once you're satisfied with the updates, all you're gonna do is save changes to your listing, and the Facebook Marketplace will update your listing with the new price, making it more visible to potential buyers. Now the thing is, you can effectively lower your price in Facebook Marketplace and increase your chances of selling item quickly, which is very an easy thing to do. It's a straightforward process. You can lower it to 10 if you wanted. Click on next, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.